Each year, millions are injured in car accidents. These accidents can be a small fender bender or a life-changing collision. Even the best drivers cannot always avoid the actions of a negligent driver. Car accidents can result in serious injuries such as broken bones, traumatic brain injury, neck, back, or spinal cord injuries, and even wrongful death. If you've been injured and have immediate concerns, complete the free case evaluation form on the website or call us at 612-377-7777 for a free consultation.
The first and most important thing to do immediately after a car crash is to check all occupants of your car to determine if anyone has injuries. If so, you should immediately call 911 and ask the police and ambulance to come to the scene. Once you've addressed any immediate injuries and you are physically able, you should obtain the other driver's license number, insurance company name, and policy number, as well as the license plate number of all involved vehicles. If witnesses identify themselves, obtain their names, addresses, and phone numbers, and be sure to keep this information in a safe place. Once these matters are taken care of at the scene, you should report the collision to your insurance company if there's any damage to the vehicles or injuries to anyone in the accident. If you are contacted by the other party's insurance company, do not discuss the circumstances of the collision with them. In the event of significant injuries in the collision, it is important to speak with an attorney. This is most particularly true before signing any releases or other documents agreeing to settle the claim or any part of it, such as medical claims. All too often, we have been approached by individuals who have previously signed a release and after realizing they had more serious injuries, have contacted us to see if we can be of help. Unfortunately, many times we cannot because they have already settled their case.
If you've been injured in a car accident, your well-being comes first. Your rights are next. Seek immediate medical assistance to determine what injuries you have sustained. Per Minnesota's no-fault insurance law, you want to ensure that you are fairly compensated for your losses. This compensation includes payment of medical bills, loss of income or wages, and payment to others for work they cannot do, such as mowing a lawn or shoveling snow.
Under the Minnesota No-Fault Act, a person injured in a car accident has two potential claims. The first claim comes from your contract of insurance with your own insurance carrier. This is referred to as the no-fault or the PIP claim. Under the no-fault claim, fault is not an issue. No matter who caused the accident, you are still entitled to no-fault benefits. Those no-fault benefits allow you to collect up to $20,000 in medical payments and mileage to and from your doctor. There is an additional $20,000 available for wage loss, which you would be compensated at 85% of your loss with a maximum of $250 per week. You may also be entitled to replacement services. Replacement service income is up to $200 per week. Replacement services are meant to compensate you for activities around your home, such as cleaning, preparing food, or doing laundry, which you cannot do because of your injuries. If no-fault benefits are denied, you have the right to arbitration. You may also choose to settle your claim with the no-fault carrier, or you may choose to ignore that claim. Under the second part of the Minnesota No-Fault Act, you may have a liability claim against the other driver. In order to pursue that claim, you need to prove two things. First, you must prove that the other driver was at fault in causing the accident. Second, you must prove that you have a serious injury as a direct result of the motor vehicle accident. Under Minnesota law, there are 4 ways in which you can prove you have a serious injury. 1, if you incur $4,000 or more in reasonable and necessary medical expense. Or 2, if you can show 60 days or more disability. Or 3, if you have some permanent disfigurement. Or 4, if your doctors deem you have a permanent injury. The 2 most important thresholds are permanent disfigurement or permanent injury. The reason they become so important is because they are the type of injuries that are lifelong. Therefore, your attorney can ask that you be compensated for pain, disability, and emotional distress, as well as any unpaid medical bills, future medical expense, uncompensated loss of earnings, and loss of earning capacity, which is your ability to earn income into the future.
It is rarely productive to conduct your own investigation concerning the facts of an accident, and the investigation of an accident in the early stages is crucial to resolving liability issues. The Minnesota No-Fault Act requires a person to satisfy certain statutory thresholds proving you have a serious injury. Witnesses need to be interviewed, photographs obtained, and so on. A skilled personal injury attorney will handle those matters for you and make certain your rights are protected and preserved, letting you concentrate on recovering from your injuries.
A personal injury case may involve a car accident, a pedestrian hit and run, a semi-truck accident, a bike-car collision, a bus accident, drunk driving accident, or a motorcycle accident. If the traffic accident was caused due to a defective product, such as a tire blowout or an airbag malfunction, the case would fall under the law of product liability. Car accidents can result in serious injuries, such as broken bones, traumatic brain injuries, neck, back, spinal cord injuries, and even wrongful death.
At Schwebel Goetz and Sieben, your consultation with us is always free. Whether you complete the free case evaluation form or call our office regarding a potential personal injury claim, the case evaluation and review is at no charge to you. Also, we work on a contingency fee basis, which means we only collect a percentage of your settlement. If there's no settlement, there's no fee to you. You will never receive an hourly bill, regardless of the time needed to prepare your case. Schwebel Goetz and Sieben makes legal assistance affordable for victims. The last thing you need to worry about is how to pay your legal fees. No fee is due until you receive your settlement.
For a more complete overview of car accident claims, our website is a valuable source of information on this or other practice areas we handle. If you have further questions regarding a car accident, please complete the case evaluation form available on the website or call to speak with an attorney. Let us take care of every detail so you can concentrate on the most important part, your recovery.